apple. Apple pen.
You filming?
I have a pen.
Alexa,
I have pineapple.
stop. What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So basically, today we are going to be exploding fidget spinners. I have some modified fidget spinners, totally real fidget spinners right here. So basically, I put some confetti in them so they'll explode. It'll be really cool. So hopefully this works. So let's just try this first one here. I put like a modified like K26 spring in it, you know. So. Whoa. Guys. That's so cool. Wait, can I explode it in my face? Oh. Cut. Clickbait. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this random video. This is totally random. And yeah, so let me come. Oh, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just going to end it from down here. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace. I'll get a doctor.